Hello everyone, welcome to the CarTrigger. Today I'm gonna give you the review about this all new 2020, the legendary dirt bike from Suzuki, the Suzuki RMZ-450. To wanna know about this vehicle in depth, make sure to watch this video till end. So on this bike, you will get very small but very aggressive looking RMZ family design halogen headlamp. At front, you will get very smooth Showa's 49mm inverted telescopic coil spring fork suspension, which is improved and very smooth while riding on terrain. The front tire size is 80 by 121 51mm and this is a tube tire. At front, you will get spoke wheel type, single disc brake and Nissin brake pad. So as this is a dirt bike, for a less curb weight, it has very less fairings. On the both side of the fairings you will get one Suzuki's logo and one RMZ's logo too. And at rear, you will get Suzuki's logo at seat and 450Z's logo both sides of the fairings. And just for name, it has very small LED tail lamp. So as this is a SuperCross Dirt Bike, it has very sharply gripped footrest and a normal gear pedal. On the right side, you will get very sharply gripped footrest and also very sharply gripped brake pedal. And this is a big size side stand of this bike. So the rear tire size is 110 by 90 1962mm and this is also a tube tire. Also at rear, you will get spoke wheel type with a single disc brake. And this is a front wheel look from back. So on this bike, you will get single but complete leather seat, which has some blue color design on the top of the seat. This is a black colored fuel cap of the bike. So on this bike, you will get Renthal's aluminum fat bar. On the dashboard of this bike, you will get one LCD screen instrument cluster and one low oil fuel indicator. So on the left side of the handle, you will get ignition controls. And this is a look of the right side of the handle. And this is a look of the stock exhaust, which is attached at the rear right top side of the bike. So this bike has 449cc single cylinder DOHC liquid cooled petrol engine, which can generate 49.9 horsepower and 32.4 pound-feet of torque. The Suzuki RMZ-450 is completely built for dirt purpose and it's a commuter bike which is not road legal. And if you really like this video, make sure to hit that like button, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe our channel, The CarTrigger.
Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, no denying what I got now.